How to get live wallpapers on PC free of cost, step by step to get video and animated wallpaper on Windows 10 in 2024 and beyond. Live wallpapers, also known as animated wallpaper or background, are digitally dynamic wallpapers or images that bring life to your desktop screen by moving or changing over time. Instead of displaying static images or still graphics, live wallpapers use animations, videos, or interactive elements to create a more immersive and engaging desktop experience. Live wallpapers have gained popularity in recent years due to their several benefits, such as the fact that live wallpapers allow you to personalize your device with unique and dynamic visuals that express and reflect your unique interest, its style, and personalization. They can add a touch of excitement and enhance aesthetic appeal to your device, making it more visually engaging, interesting, and captivating. For some, they can be a source of relaxation or entertainment as they are designed to be calming and soothing, while some can also be fun and interactive types of live wallpapers. There are four main types of live wallpapers, each offering a unique visual experience. Number one is video live wallpapers. These wallpapers play a video clip on your desktop screen ranging from nature scenes to abstract patterns. Number two is animated live wallpapers. These wallpapers use animation to create dynamic visuals, often inspired by video games or cartoons. Number three is interactive live wallpapers. These wallpapers respond to your actions such as mouse movement or keyboard strokes. And number four is 3D live wallpapers. These wallpapers create a three-dimensional effect on your desktop, such as creating a 3D room in your desktop by adding depth and realism. How to set live wallpapers? Some devices have built-in features that allow you to set live wallpapers, but some older versions of Windows do not contain these features, so we will be using a third-party application to set up live wallpaper on our desktop. There are plenty of tools to set up live wallpapers on our desktop computer. Some of them include Lively Wallpaper, Wallpaper Engine, and Deskscape. Let's take a quick look at them and decide which one is right for you, and we'll go into the actual method of setting up live wallpapers. First, we have the Lively Wallpaper. It is a free and easy lightweight tool that supports multiple formats to apply live wallpapers on your Windows and computer, such as GIF, 3D, video, and interactive wallpapers. In the same way, we have Wallpaper Engine that supports all types of live wallpaper format with huge library offering a variety of features. It is considered more powerful than Lively Wallpaper and has extensive customization options. However, it is not free and will require you to pay around $3.99 United States dollar, which is approximately around $4. Then we have Desk Space, another powerful tool to apply live wallpaper on your PC. It is provided by a company called StarDock and it is also available to purchase on Steam. It includes powerful features to animate your desktop. It will cost the same price as Wallpaper Engine, but also offers a trial version of the program that you can download from their official website. And at last, we have VLC Media Player on our list. You might have used it in the past, but most of you might not know that it can be used to create live video wallpapers on our desktop. It is also a 100% free and open source program. However, we have found that it is mostly used for screensaver and not for live wallpaper. So we're gonna skip this in this tutorial. So basically, in this tutorial, we will learn how to create live wallpapers on our desktop using a free method called Lively Wallpapers software. I will not go into Wallpaper Engine and Deskscape because they cost money, and since there might also be teenagers watching this video, so it's best to get it done for them for absolutely free of cost. So let's learn how to install live wallpapers on Windows 10 using Lively Wallpaper. Lively Wallpaper supports a variety of formats such as GIFs, web pages, screensavers, and even interactive elements as your wallpaper. Alright, before learning how to install the live wallpaper, we need to first download it. So in order to do that, we need to launch our desktop browser. So let's quickly open that. So I'm in the Google and I'm gonna search for Lively Wallpaper, and here we have this Lively Wallpaper by Rock Danister. We need to open this in a new tab, and we are already in the Lively Wallpaper homepage. Here on the top we have these features. If you want to read, you can go to this page, and to download, simply click on this download button over here and it will download the installer. So it gives me two options. We can either get it from Microsoft Store or a direct installer. I'm going to go for the direct installer instead of Microsoft Store. So the file is only around 250 megabytes. If you have a better internet connection, it will get done in a few seconds, like 25 to 30 seconds. Alright, the download is done. Then we're going to click on the downloaded setup file. Windows protected your PC, click on more info and run anyway. Alright, it's going to ask us to select a language. I'm going to choose English or set it by default. And it says, welcome to the Lively Wallpaper Setup Wizard. I'm going to click on next. I accept the agreement and next. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut and automatically start Lively Wallpaper. When it's done, I'm going to click on next and finally click on install. So I've already installed this, so I'm not going to reinstall this. So I'm going to cancel this. And now I'm going to take you to the application directly. Alright, I'm here in Lively Wallpaper and I'm going to maximize this. So here we are in the library tab, and here you can see these most plenty of templates of live wallpapers already available. So to apply a wallpaper, you just need to click on the three horizontal dots here and click on set as wallpaper, or we can just preview it by clicking on this preview icon. Uh, Actually, it's preview option, not icon, so excuse me for that. So this is one of the example of interactive live wallpaper, and here is a preview of it. It will interact with my mouse cursor. So if I move my mouse here, it will create some simulations on the screen like this one. This definitely looks good. Alright, I'm gonna exit out of the preview and apply this. Set as wallpaper, and I'm gonna go to my desktop and see the effects here. As you can see, the live wallpaper is working. So I'm gonna go back to live wallpaper and go to customize, and here we have various options like audio visualizer, random splash. The quality is here. We can change the quality depending upon our device capacity, and simulation resolution like 128 pixels to 56 pixels, whatever you might want to choose. And all these options here, to be honest, I've never played with these options because the default options are okay with me. So I'm gonna exit out of this. And if you're looking how to create video wallpaper, here is how we do this. We need to click on plus over here and then choose a video file. So I'm gonna quickly select this one. It's one of the royalty-free images that I found on the internet. So I'm gonna click on open and wait for a while it does the job. And after doing that, it will ask me to add title, description, author, and website. I'm gonna click on OK. It takes a while to apply because it's configuring it in the system. By the way, this is an overlay. It will not replace the actual desktop wallpapers on your computer. It will only run when the application is running in the background. So when you exit out of the application to task manager or something, the live wallpapers will not work. So you need to take care of that because it might consume some of your RAM memory and might cause performance issue in your computer if you have a old system. So the video work is done. So I need to click on here and set as wallpaper, and let me just minimize this and click here, and you can see the video wallpaper is already working as expected. In the same way, you can also add GIF, GIFs, and other types of wallpaper using this plus icon here, or you can find these types of templates from the internet. There are various third-party websites found in Google that you can use to find templates for lively wallpaper. Here are a few considerations for using live wallpapers. While live wallpapers offer several benefits, there are a few things to consider before using them. The first one is performance impact. Live wallpapers can consume more system resources than static wallpapers, potentially affecting your device performance. The number two is battery drain. On mobile devices, live wallpapers can increase battery consumption due to their dynamic nature, not just in the mobile devices but also in your desktop. And there is some kind of distraction factor as well, like some live wallpapers may be distracting or disruptive, especially for work or study environments. Despite the fact that live wallpapers offer a unique and engaging way to personalize your device and enhance its visual appeal, it could be heavy on performance for devices that have lower RAM capacity. Alright, that's basically how to get live wallpapers on PC free in 2024 and beyond. If you want to get more Windows 10 tips and tricks like this one, be sure to check out this playlist. Be sure to subscribe before leaving. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.